Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify. This is a very quick tutorial. So what you're going to do, guys, you just need to log in into your own Shopify store. Okay, now open a new tab and search for AliExpress. Okay, make sure you open AliExpress website on your browser, and then after that you want to click on settings at the very bottom left of your Shopify dashboard, and then click on apps and sales channels. And after that, you want to click on Shopify App Store. Make sure to watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistake. And the app that we are going to talk about today is free, so you don't really have to pay for anything. The free plan is going to be more than enough. So you just need to search for Ali Reviews, okay? Now the app, I'm sorry, see, it seems like there is a problem here. Ali Reviews, that's the name of the app. Okay, this is the app. It's called Ali Reviews, AliExpress Reviews. That's the name of the app, and make sure it has this logo, as you can see. Now after that, what you guys need to do next is you want to click on install and make sure you install the app. Okay, so that's exactly what you guys need to do. You want to click on install, and that's it. Now after you click on install, you will be able now to import reviews from AliExpress to your own Shopify products. Now it says here premium and free. Now free is going to be more than enough for everyone. It says here 30 reviews import per product, which is really enough. 5 product limit for import. Customers can post reviews. Now this is the premium, what it has to offer. As you can see, unlimited reviews, unlimited products. Now it depends on what you want, so I always go with the free plan. Click on sign up for free. All right, now it says here welcome to Ali Reviews. It will show you here a tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how you can use this. Okay, so what you guys need to do now, you want to click here where it says manage reviews. Okay, here. And then what you guys need to do here, you will find your products on Shopify. Now, as you can see, currently I only have one product on the Shopify store because this is just an example. I just created the Shopify store for today's video. Now, as you can see, we only have one product. So how we can import pre-reviews to this product? Now, let's say that you imported this product from AliExpress. Now, what you guys need to do is to search for this exact product on AliExpress. Okay, so for example, this is the product. Okay, you have, for example, imported this product, and now you want to import the reviews, and this product, as you can see, has 5 reviews. Now what you guys need to do, you want to click here, it says import reviews. Okay, and here you want to select AliExpress import, of course, and then you want to enter here the URL of the AliExpress product. In the top you can right click and click copy, and then you want to paste the URL here. Now, if you need these reviews to have images, you can just check this in the top. Now, I don't want these reviews to have images. Now, it says here the number of reviews, okay? So, if you want, for example, to import only, let's say, three reviews, you can do that. Now, where the reviews, what country you want to get the reviews from, okay? So, this product only has 5 reviews. That means you can't really play with this, so you can just choose all countries because you don't really know what country what country exactly the left this review from. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you just need to general, don't even touch this country, and then click on import. Now after, guys, you click on import, it says here product import request submitted, and the reviews imported 3. So this product now has 3 reviews. Now we have successfully imported 3 reviews. Keep in mind, this is going to take a little bit to be imported. So make sure you check your Shopify your Shopify products and see if the reviews has been imported successfully or not. Now if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments, and make sure you drop a like on this video. That would be highly appreciated. See you guys in the next video.